Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next is we have to take a jeans and cut it like this. Now after that we have to mark the curvy lines or the semicircular shapes over it using the pen like this. Now cut it in the same shape as shown in the video. Take the scissor and cut it out. Now we have to make the frills over it by cutting it like this. So you can see how we are marking cutting the lines. Now keep cutting it like this as we are doing here. Now you have to rub it like this against each other and stretch the threads like this, and your frill jeans is ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be showing you some more different stitches. So you can see we have taken a sheet or piece of cloth. Now you have to fold it like this and put the stitches at the corner and fix them like this. So you can see how we are putting the running stitch over the sweater. Fix it one by one like this. So you can see how we are running the stitches. Keep fixing the stitches like this as we are doing here and fix the threads like this. So you can see how we are putting it. Put it one by one like this and fix the threads. So you can see we are putting the stitches and closing it like this. Make the zigzag stitch like this in the between and it's done. Next we have to take a jeans and then fold it like this in the between. Now take a thread in the middle. Now you have to fix it like this. So you can see how we are doing it, and then put it from the sides and then roll the threads like this and put it over the middle like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now at the end you have to just roll out the needle on the top of it like this and pull it out. Fix a stone or a pearl like this, and again repeat the process for a few more times, and your beautiful pattern or design is ready. I hope you liked it. You can try these tips at the tops as well, and it's done. Next is we have to take a jeans and fold it like this. Now put the thread at the corners or at the ends, you can say, and then fold it out like this. Put the chain stitch as we are doing here in this video. Fix it carefully like this. Put it one by one as shown in the video and fix these stitches. So you can see how we are doing it. Put these stitches very carefully as we are doing here in this video. Put it one by one like this. Now after that, take it till the other side and then pull out the threads from the between and stretch the thread like this. And your stitch will go inside and your stitches are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a socks and cut it like this. And you have to give a semicircular shape like this. Now, we have to cut it from the top as well. And now, take its another section like this. Cut it like this with the scissor. Fold it inside out and you can make a glove out of it like this beautifully. And turn it into a socks like this, and it's done. Next is we have to take the jeans and then take the hooks like this, and then you can fix it on the back of the jeans like this. Now fix it with the help of the thread and then take its closure hook like this. Fix them. Jeans is done.
Thanks for watching our video.